Hello everybody, this is Nora with NK57 and I am here back to review for you these fantastic products from Born Pretty store. I have 3 colors of their 9D cat eye gels and that come in these little pots right here, and they were all sealed, but as I'm opening them here you do not see the seal because I've already peeled that off to make it easier to show here on the video. So that first one was a beautiful purple, as you saw. The second one, I believe, is going to be the green one. It is just absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is going to be perfect for Christmas because you can use these. You do not have to do the magnetic effect, and you can just use them as solid colors. And this other one, it's going to look green, but it's more of a turquoise. There it is, just absolutely gorgeous. So here all 3 of them are next to each other. As I said, they did come sealed, but I removed the seals for the video. And I am going to test these out for you on these tips. I've already applied some black gel polish. So you will want to apply these over a black gel and use your own brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you here with us. You can see me do those. Yes, so these are allowed for playing with the 2 magnet sticks, whether you use the round magnets or the flat magnets. And here's the one that I try to create that circle, but you can do all sorts of things. And in one of them I went ahead and used a different type of magnet, also from Born Pretty store. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy these swatches as I'm playing with the magnets and with these polishes, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so here's a closer look at these samples, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love the effect on these. And this particular one here, as you notice, it shifts from purple or from green to purple. Here's the purple. It just stays, you just see the purple glitter there with it. It's some holographic glitters. I did something different there with the magnet. And here's this green. Oh, so gorgeous. This effect, this black hole effect is super cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and review for you the holographic stickers. Here they are. These are cut out in like fire flames. That's the item number. And they do come in 16 different colors. This is the color. This is this iridescent pink gold/gold. I have already peeled one off so I can play with it and see what it was going to be like. So these are self-adhesive. They peeled up very easy from the sheet. And I liked how, yes, they are self-adhesive, so you do not have to apply anything to the nail, and they go nice and flat. And I did apply top coat. Here it is after it is top coat, and it did not varnish or did not lose its original colors. So I was very happy with that. I think these are super cool together. Guys, I will have the links to these items down in the description bar below. Remember that I do have a 10% discount code. It's IDUK 31 if I remember correctly, but I'll check it out on the screen. I would like to thank Born Pretty store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.